Assalamualaikum, Ms. Norzana. I'm Karul Nizam bin Kasuri. Today I'm gonna solve a question, set A, case study 1. The first thing you need to do is read the question carefully. The question said, you are assigned to set up a business and need to borrow 25,000 ringgit loan for 5 years. There are 2 banks that you have to survey for that loan. Below are the details of the bank. As you can see, Putra Bank interest charge 4.54% compounded every 3 months, and Putri Bank 4.75% compounded every 4 months. So the question wants me to calculate the total interest charge for each bank. The first thing we need to do is find the P. P, as you can see, the P is given from the question, which is 25,000 ringgit, and after that find T. T is also given from the question, is 5 years. And the K is interest rate charge, but we have to change it to decimals. So which is, the K is 0.0454, and M, if you want to find M, we need to 12 divide 3. So we got the answer is 4. That's M. And I, the formula is K over M, which is 0.0454 over 4. That's the I. And the last thing we need to find is N. And the formula is T times M, which is 5 times 4, and the answer is 20. So after that, we have to find the S. S, future value, is stand for future value, which is the formula if you want to find I. So if you want to find the S, which the formula is S equals P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket N. So just put the information that we have and put it on the formula, which is P is 25,000 open bracket 1 plus I which is 0.045 over 4 close bracket, and the N is 20. So just calculate in the calculator, and we got the answer is 31,330 ringgit 66 cents. So after that, we can calculate the interest charge, which is the formula to calculate the interest charge is I equals S minus P. So the S is 31,330 ringgit 66 cents minus 25,000 ringgit. So the total interest charge in Putra Bank is 6,330 ringgit 66 cents. That's the interest charge in Putra Bank. After that, we need to find the Putri Bank interest charge, which is also use the same formula. We have to find P, T, K, M, I, N, N. The P is 25,000, T is 5, also same, but the difference is K. K is 0.0475, F, M, 12 divided 4, and the answer is 3. I, K over M, which is 0.075 over 3, and N, T times M, 5 times 3, so we got the answer is 15. And also we have to find the S, which is its future value first, and the formula is S equals P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket N. So also same, just put the information in this formula, which is 25,000 open bracket 1 plus 0.0475 over 3 close bracket and 15, and straight to the calculator to find the answer, which is 31,642 ringgit 95 cents. And after that, we can find the interest charge, which is also use the same formula, I equals S minus P, 31,642 95 cents minus 25,000, and the answer is 6,642 95 cents. Settle for question A. The next question is question B. The question B wants me to which company should you choose to borrow the loan based on your answer in A, and give your answer. So for my answer in question B is, I will choose Putra Bank company because their interest charge are lower than Putri Bank. So means I need to borrow a loan from Putra Bank company because the total money that I have to pay back is only 31,330 ringgit 66 cents, which is more cheaper than Putri Bank. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Haziq Sharizan. I will solve for the next question, which is question C. Answer the following question C, depending on the bank you selected in question B. The question is, after 1 year and 6 months, the bank changed the rate to 5% compounded monthly. How much should you pay at the end of 5 years? Calculate the total interest paid. First of all, we start with an initial loan or principal amount of 25,000 ringgit. This amount is invested or borrowed at a certain interest rate. After 1 year and 6 months, the interest rate changed, and we need to calculate how much we owe at the end of 5 years in total. So the timeline is split into 2 parts. First, 1 year and 6 months, or 1.5 years with an original rate. Remaining 3.5 years. To get the remaining years, we need to minus the 5 years total with the first timeline, which is 1.5 years. So 5 years total minus 1.5 years equals to 3.5 years at a new rate of 5% compounded monthly. After the first 1.5 years, the amount has grown to 31,330 ringgit 66 cent. This becomes our new principal, which is P2 for the next phase of calculation. Now, the bank changed the interest rate to 5% annually, compounded monthly. Let's break this down into the compound interest formula, where P2 equals to 31,330 ringgit 66 cent, the new principal. And I, the annual interest rate, equals to 5% or 0.05. M equals to 12 because in the question it says compounded monthly, so we need to put it 12. And the T equals to 3.5 years, which is the remaining time. And for N, we need to use this formula to find N, which is T times M equals to 3.5 times 12, and we will get the answer, which is 42 months. To find S2, we need to use this formula. S2 equals to P2 open bracket 1 plus I close the bracket such of power N. When you calculate that, the future value becomes RM 37,308.69 cent. So, for the final calculation, to find the total interest paid over the 5 years, subtract the original amount, 25,000 from the final amount. Interest equals to 30,308 ringgit 69 cent minus 25,000 equals to 12,308 ringgit 69 cent. So, by the end of 5 years, you will pay a total of 37,308 ringgit and 96 cent, and the interest paid is only 12,308.69 cent. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Muhammad Rilmon. I will handle the case study Roman 2. Okay, so this question A. So for the Afin Bank, this CP, DP, A, T, M, K, I, N. So the formula to find R periodic payment, we can use the formula A equals R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket power negative N bracket over I. So this is answer to find R. So how to find interest? We can use the formula I equals N R minus A. So this is answer interest for Afin Bank. So we move to OCBC Bank. This CP, DP, T, M, K, I, N. So the formula to find R periodic payment is same. The formula is A equals R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I power negative N bracket over I. So this is answer to find R. So how to find interest? Also is same. I equals N R minus A. So this is answer interest for the OCBC Bank. So we move to question B. Okay, so the question B, base your answer in A. Which option should Mr. J choose? So the answer is Mr. J need to choose Afin Bank because their interest charge is lower than OCBC Bank. Okay.
Hello, I'm Chris Paul. I'm going to solve the next question, which is question C. Question C. If he wants to settle all of the loan immediately after paying the 40 months payment, there are two questions following, which is question 1 and question 2. Question 1. How much additional payment does he have to make? To solve this question, we must use the formula A equal R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of negative N close bracket over I. So it will be A equal 3,930 ringgit 64 cents open bracket 1 equal open bracket 1 plus 0.042 over 12 close bracket power of negative 200 over 0.042 over 12, and the answer is RM 5,064 672 ringgit 85 cents. So from this question, we know that after 40 months payment, the remaining balance can be calculated using the present value of N Annuity formula. Plugging in the values, the additional payment required is RM 5,064 672 85 cents. And the next question is question 2. Question 2. How much interest is paid? To solve this question, we must use the formula I equal open bracket NR plus A close bracket minus A. So it will be I equal open bracket 40 open bracket 3,930 ringgit 64 cents close bracket plus 5,064 672 ringgit 85 cents close bracket minus 6,037 500, and the answer is RM 84,398 ringgit 45 cents. So we're going to calculate the total amount paid including the 14-month installment and the settlement. Then subtract the original loan. In the interest paid come out to be around 84,398 ringgit 45 cents. And the last question is question D. Question D. If he has not paid his first 6-month payment, how much should she pay on his 7th payment to settle all outstanding arrears? Okay. To solve this question, you must use the formula S equal R, open bracket 1 plus I, close bracket, power of n, negative n, close bracket, over I. So it will be S equal 3,930 ringgit 64 cents, open bracket 1 plus 0.042 over 12, close bracket, power of 7, negative 1, close bracket over 0.042 over 12. And the answer is RM 27,805 ringgit 7 cents.